What would you do if you just learned today that you only had 6 months to live? What if you only had 6 months to live? What would you stop doing? What would you do more of? Who would you spend time with? Now, the answer to that question is very interesting because what it tells you is what you really value. What is really important to you?
There are many things in life that will catch your eye, but only a few will catch your heart. Pursue those. Many things in life that will catch your eye, but only a few will catch your heart. If it costs you your peace, it's too expensive, right? On many levels, not materialistic, superficial. If a person costs you your peace, they might be a little bit too expensive.
Most humans who could ever exist never will. And so the fact that you exist at all is against stupefying odds. Any moment you spend squandering those moments you are alive does disrespect to all those who will never